Good afternoon to all. Welcome to the Education Institute. Today we will discuss lecture number 8 of weekly current affairs, and these questions pertains to November 24 to November 30, 2025. The question of the day of lecture 8 is, with which country did India sign the Lunar Rover Mobility Framework in 2025? With which country did India sign the Lunar Rover Mobility Framework in 2025? Your option is France, South Korea, UAE and USA, right? You have to reply this answer during the class, or otherwise this question will come during the class. Come to the questions. Question number 1. Question number 1, see the questions and try to give the answer of these questions, right? First question is, with which country did India co-found the South Asian Blue Economy Alliance, SABEA, in 2025? The color of the marker. Right? With which country did India, is it clearly visible? With which country did India co-found the South Asian Blue Economy Alliance in 2025? Your option is Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Indonesia and Maldives. The correct answer is Maldives. Correct answer is Maldives. Question number 2. Which satellite did India launch for the first time in 2025 with AI assisted orbit correction system? Your answer is EOS 09. EOS 09. In which area did Japan and India launch digital twin cities partnership in 2025? Urban planning. Your answer is urban planning. Niti Aayog, what was the main indicator of the India Rural Prosperity Report released in 2025? The correct answer is Rural Economic Mobility Index. Correct answer is Rural Economic Mobility Index. Question number 5. Which country presented the Global Water Stewardship Award to India in 2025? It means India got the Global Water Stewardship Award, right? The question is given by which country, right? This award given by which country? Sweden has given this award to India. Global Water Stewardship Award. Which bank launched India's first quantum resident payment gateway? India's first quantum resident payment gateway in 2025. The answer is SBI. Correct answer is State Bank of India. What was India's rank? In which area? In the World Air Quality Transition Report. What was the rank of India in World Air Quality Transition Report released in 2025? What is the position of India? India's rank is 15th. India's rank is 15th. Next question. With which country did India sign the Lunar Rover Mobility Framework in 2025? I think this was the question of the day from the first slide, right? So the correct answer is USA, United States of America. USA and India has signed for the Lunar Rover Mobility Frameworks in 2025. Which state implemented Green District Heat Index Management rules in 2025? Tell the name of the state. Correct answer is Maharashtra. India established Global Climate Learning Grids GCLG with which organization in 2025? The correct answer is UNESCO. Correct answer is UNESCO. Which new digital currency settlement feature was released by RBI in 2025? Name of the new digital currency settlement feature was released by RBI. Name of the correct answer is CBDC Cross Border Corridor. CBDC Cross Border Corridor. Right? Coming to the next question. With which country did India sign the first AI Defense Integration Protocol, AIDIP, in 2025? Has been signed between India and which country? The name is Israel. Israel and India has signed for AI Defense Integration Protocol. Which Indian city received the UN Global Livable City Index Asia Leader Award in 2025? Bhubaneswar is the correct answer. The correct answer is Bhubaneswar. Where did India establish its first ocean aerosol observatory in 2025? Lakshadweep. Where did India establish its first ocean aerosol observatory in 2025? Lakshadweep. Which state launched AI-enabled crop loss verification portal in 2025? The correct answer is Bihar. The correct answer is Bihar. With which country did India launch Digital Ayurveda Validation Program DAVP in 2025? Right? Tell the name of the country. Your option is Germany, USA, UK and South Korea. The correct answer is UK, United Kingdom. Which organization launched National E-Mobility Battery Passport in 2025? BIS. BIS has launched National E-Mobility Battery Passport. Which new mountaineering policy did India release in 2025? Named what was the name? Unified Peak Permit System. Unified Peak Permit System. Where was India's first urban cooling innovation zone established in 2025? The correct answer is Ahmedabad. Correct answer is Ahmedabad. Which state launched Digital Land Parcel Disk Scanner DLPRS in 2025? Tamil Nadu. Which state launched Digital Land Parcel Disk Scanner DLPRS in 2025? Tamil Nadu. With which country will India join the Indo-Nordic Biodiversity Data Bridge in 2025? Right? I think the correct answer will be Norway is also here, Sweden and Finland. So all. The correct answer will be all, where India joined the Indo-Nordic Biodiversity Data Bridge in 2025 with Norway, Sweden, Finland and India. With which nation did India launch Maritime Mineral Extraction Pilot in 2025? Australia. With which nation did India launch Maritime Mineral Extraction Pilot in 2025? Australia and India has signed in this regard. Question number 23. India launched National Statistical Modernization Grid in 2025 in which technology? The correct answer is Artificial Intelligence Neural Data Lake. Which Indian scientist received the UN Climate Innovation Medal in 2025? Dr. Seema Singh got the UN Climate Innovation Medal in 2025. In which city did India establish International Cyber Defense Coordination Hub in 2025? Hyderabad. In which city did India establish International Cyber Defense Coordination Hub in 2025? The correct answer is Hyderabad. With which country did India sign the AI-enabled Disaster Early Signal Exchange Treaty in 2025? The correct answer is Australia. Correct answer is Australia. In which sector did India launch National Biocomputing Acceleration Facility NBAF in 2025? Chandigarh is the correct answer. Chandigarh is the correct answer. Which state implemented a Smart Tribal Habitat Model STHM in 2025? Correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Which Indian aviation company launched the world's first carbon negative domestic air corridor in 2025? Akash. Akash. World's first carbon negative domestic air corridor in 2025. It's a very important question. The name of the aviation is Akash. With which country did India establish Dual Use Space Robotics Lab? Dual Use Space Robotics Lab in 2025. Now the correct answer is France. France is the correct answer. Which Indian project was selected as top global cultural digitalization model in UNESCO's 2025 report? Digital Kasi. Top global cultural digitalization model in UNESCO's 2025 report. The correct answer is Digital Kashi. India launched antimicrobial resistance AMR super surveillance grid in 2025 with which organization? With WHO. Super surveillance grid, right? Antimicrobial resistance super surveillance grid. Which state launched Green Logistic Corridor 1 in 2025? Gujarat has launched this. Gujarat has launched the Green Logistic Corridor 1 in 2025. In which region did India launch Ocean Carbon Sink Mapping Mission in 2025? In which area? Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea, in the Arabian Sea. India has launched Ocean Carbon Sink Mapping Mission, right, in 2025. Where was India's first interstate AI crime fusion center established in 2025? The correct answer is Lucknow. Correct answer is Lucknow. Which Indian organization released the National Mobility Behavior Survey in 2025? Correct answer is Niti Aayog. Which Indian organization released the National Mobility Behavior Survey in 2025? Correct answer is Niti Aayog. With which country did India establish Digital Himalayan Ecosystem Partnership DHEP in 2025? Both A and B. Nepal and Bhutan, right? The correct answer is Nepal and Bhutan. Which state launched AI Forestry Patrol Drone Program in 2025? The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Correct answer is Uttarakhand. Which new biodiversity network did India launch in 2025? What is the name of the new biodiversity network which can be launched by India in 2025? Tell me the correct answer. What will be the correct answer? India Deep Wild Genomics Portal. India Deep Wild Genomics Portal. RBI created National Fraud Intelligence Protocol. RBI created National Fraud Intelligence Protocol in 2025 based on which technology? AI plus neural analytics. In which sector did India rank first in the world in the 2025 World Bank report? We have already discussed these questions. The correct answer is digital ID adoption. Digital ID adoption is the correct answer. Which country signed the Arctic Research Navigation Corridor Agreement with India in 2025? Which country signed the Arctic Research Navigation Corridor Agreement with India in 2025? The correct answer is Norway. Correct answer is Norway. In which state did India establish its first biofuel aircraft testing corridor in 2025? Maharashtra. Correct answer is Maharashtra. Which ministry launched the National Consumer AI Protection Portal in 2025? Which ministry? Ministry of Consumer. Ministry of Consumer Affairs Ministry. Which modern system did India include in the National Marine Health Scorecard in 2025? Right? Which modern system did India include in the National Marine Health Scorecard in 2025? AI Coral Scanner, Ocean Toxicity Index, Deep Sea Biodiversity Algorithm, all. The correct answer is all. Which ministry launched India's first AI-based fertilizer traceability grid? So you can guess from here. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer will be correct answer in this regard. Which state implemented Heritage Data Restoration Cloud in 2025? The correct answer is Rajasthan. In which area did India prepare National Drone Defense Dome in 2025? Punjab. The correct answer is Punjab. Which country presented the Women Lead Digital Governance Award to India in 2025? Canada. Correct answer is Canada. Women Lead Digital Governance Award. In which ministry did India implement the first AI legislative drafting engine in 2025? Ministry of Law. Ministry of So I think we have completed 50 questions, and it's my opinion that the next 51 to 100 questions we will discuss in next class of lecture 8, right? So thank you so much for this class. Thank you.